Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Neo Nails. In this video, we are going to tell you who the winner is of the iPad. The Apple Pad.
Don't start
I'm not doing that again. I'm over it. I'm over it now. So, how many comments did we have?
Over 10,000.
Over 10,000. Oh, is it 11,000, something like that? So what I'm going to do now, and I'm not very good on the old computer, so I don't know why Adam's put it in front of me.
Just 'cause it's funny.
So I'm going to go onto this program that will pick by random one of the winners from the video who's commented on the iPad 1 million subscribers, because obviously the reason that we're doing this is because we said when we reach 1 million subscribers we will give away an Apple iPad. So that's what we're going to do. So what do? I just press start?
No.
No?
You need to go to the,
Here?
click that,
Or do we click that?
Mm-hmm.
That there, that search thing. Okay.
And it's going to tell you how many comments are there.
Oh, well, that's good. A lot.
This could take a while. Good job you got a cuppa.
Yeah, well, we'll just wait while this tells us how many comments there are. So just talk amongst yourselves. We might fast forward this bit.
That would be quite funny watching you drink a cuppa and fast forward.
Yeah. 10,600 comments.
Unique ones.
Unique
All
comments.
you people who put 25 comments.
No. That's called cheating. And this program will not let you cheat. Those are the kind of people that cheat on exams and everything, I think. I'm only joking. So, what do I do now? I press start. There?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Are you ready? Oh, I feel quite nervous. Drum roll, please. Oh, look at all the names shooting up. Oh, I feel like I will close my eyes.
What is that?
I don't know what that says. Don't know what that says.
Wouldn't it be really nice if we'd had somebody who we could actually pronounce the name?
Yeah. Iwava.
But they have put the hashtag 1 million subs there.
They have. They've done it. Put love you all. Iwava. Please forgive me because we can't pronounce your name. But that's fine. I think this kind of proves that this is a legitimate thing that we've just done. We didn't just go, we don't actually want to choose that person because we can't pronounce their name. We'll just choose somebody else. No, this is real. This is real, man. This person is the winner. So what you need to do is contact us. If you go to our YouTube channel and go on to the information, you'll find there that there is a email address that you can email us and contact us, and we will sort out sending you the iPad and also the celebration nail that I created for the celebration video. I kind of forgot about that.
It's so cool, that.
It is so cool. It's so pretty. I love it. So you're going to get this as well. You won't actually get this iPad because you're going to get a brand spanking new one that's going to be mailed to you directly from Apple. I think that's pretty cool.
And that's an empty box.
Yeah, this is an empty box. Doesn't have an iPad in it, so you don't.
Because we used it.
You don't really want that. Yeah, the one that was bought might have got used.
It was a year ago.
Was it a year ago?
Yeah.
Wow. It took us that long to get to 1 million subscribers. Well, thank you to everybody that subscribed. Thank you to everybody that commented. And congratulations to the winner.
Wow.
So don't forget, you need to contact us via the World Wide Web, via email, and we will send you your iPad. If this winner doesn't contact us within 2 weeks, then we spin again and we pick a new winner, because somebody's got to win. So there you are, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this video. I feel sorry for the people that haven't won. I feel sorry for you. But I feel happy for the winner.
Even though you can't pronounce her name. Or his name.
Yeah, I don't know if it's he or she. Don't know where they're from. Are they from Mexico? Are they Spanish? Are they Russian? Are they Hungarian? I have no idea. I'm so uneducated. It's official. Listen, guys. Keep subscribing, keep watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.